Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily enable screen mirroring on your iPhone. Whether you want to share your iPhone screen with a TV, computer or any external display, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, start by opening the settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on general. And once you are in the general section, simply tap on AirPlay and continuity. Now under AirPlay settings, tap on automatically AirPlay and you will see three options. Neighbor that disables automatic AirPlay, ask that prompts you when a compatible device is detected, and automatic which automatically mirrors your screen to compatible device. Choose either ask or automatic based on your preferences. And once you are done, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center and look for the screen mirroring icon. Tap on that icon and your iPhone will scan for nearby compatible device. And once device you want to mirror appears, simply tap on it and your iPhone screen will be mirrored instantly. And that's it. Now you will be able to turn on screen mirroring on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.